Okay, I was at a client site, and initially I was troubleshooting a Wi-Fi issue getting their brand new Epson WF-7820 printer online. Well, that was an easy fix, but when I tried to print the network settings, I couldn't. I noticed on the front panel it said initial cartridge detected, printer already initialized, and I'm thinking, okay, so what? The cartridges that shipped with the printer that you see pictured here, they're supposed to be initialized. They're supposed to be recognized. They're supposed to be detected. What's the problem? Customer had never got the printer on the network, so they hadn't sent any print jobs to the printer yet. I dug into the maintenance menu and essentially said the same thing. Initial cartridge detected, printer already initialized. It did show every individual cartridge, and that every individual cartridge was rejected. Got to remove them. Well, I opened up a case with Epson technical support, and they confirmed that their cartridges, the ones that ship with this printer, serve one purpose only, and it isn't to print your print jobs. It is to initialize the printer. After that, they are marked as initialized and they are officially expended. The printer will not use them to print jobs. So even though you spend $249.99 plus tax to get this Epson WF-7820 printer, you're going to have to spend an additional amount of money just to be able to print to it. In this case, you can get those cartridges for just under $80, then there's tax added, at Amazon.com. But if you are in a pinch and you need to go to a big box store to get them, be prepared to spend just over $100 for them. So be warned, because I don't find that to be particularly good value.